I um, am probably watching this. And, Lisa. Oh my God, why can't I talk today? Anyway, I'll just link her in the description that video that I was just watching. She's awesome, and she has this thing reacting to your guys' YouTube channel, and lighting is bad. Anyway, well, it is 2:04 in the morning. But anyway, she has this really cool thing. Why did I do that? Reacting to your YouTube channel, and I want my channel to be on that so bad. But anyway, oh gosh, here. What's it doing? Yeah, I have to show you. No. But oh god, I wish I could be on there. My sister said that maybe she'll go on my account and like comment on the vid, on one of her vids like that, and be like, hey, check out this channel. I hope she does. I have none. Peanuts. Ha 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 ha. No, really. I have some butter topping peanuts. And I have just like Parts of the Caribbean, Johnny Depp hanging around. Uh, Comment anything below. Please comment. It'll help me raise my self-esteem. And subscribe. It really means something to me. I reply to comments if I got any that weren't from myself. So, goodbye.